What's up everybody, this is Rob from Wonders of London, and a big hello to you guys out there on YouTube. Well, I've made it. I've just come out of Greenwich station and I'm really ready to have a little look around and a bit of an explore today. Now I'm under good authority that the Cutty Sark and indeed the market lie a little bit further. Well, you can either walk around that way and do a bit of a loop around. Actually, that way takes me over to Deptford. Which I was just having a little bit of a read through a book. Apparently have the Deptford Discovery Creek there. All kinds of interesting things to do with the river and the Thames. So perhaps I'll go and have a little bit of a check out of that as well. Now don't forget folks, if you enjoy our videos at Wonders of London, you can hit that little like and of course the subscribe button, which will help us out a ton. I might, if I'm lucky, just dodge some of the rain as well. And even get a drink at the pub. We'll see about that. All right guys, I'll catch you in a little bit.